Hey guys, so today I thought I'd share with you my simple 3-step night skincare routine on days that I want to keep it hassle-free. These are my go-to products. So the first step in my routine is, I think most of you all know this, my most favorite face brightening cleanser from the Tribe Concepts. So this cleanser is also a mask and a scrub, and it really keeps my skin clean and fresh. So the second step in my routine is a spritz of rose water to maintain the pH balance of my skin. And the third and final step is also the most important step, is this beautiful oil from the Tribe Concepts. If you haven't heard of Kumkumadi Thailam, then you're really missing out, because this nourishing oil helps with dull skin, with acne, with pigmentation. If you're looking for that glow, this is the product to go to. So that's it, my 3-step routine, and I really hope you enjoy this.